Hi, I'm Kelis, and people always ask what's in my milkshake. Bailey's, obviously. So, of course, we're gonna start off with chocolate ice cream. This is ginger beer. And then, of course, we've got our Bailey's. So good. Here we go. Just one more. I've got these lovely candied ginger slices. Just a little bit of cayenne. Luxurious. That's honey. Here we've got some Korean chili, some cinnamon, and some sugar for the moment we've all been waiting for. Voila. Ginger whipped cream here. And then we are going to top it off with our candied ginger slices. We add a gold straw. And that's what's in my milkshake, so don't say that I never gave you anything.